Shipox Customer mobile app. Start by downloading the Shipox Customer App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using the customer credentials we set up earlier. Upon logging in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see a list of all orders created from this account. Create a new order, tap on Create New at the top right corner. Enter the order details as required, ensuring that you're selecting the parameters according to the package rules we've set up. After that, enter the item value and a brief description if necessary. Next, choose the weight of the parcel. You'll also have options to select payment types and other available preferences. Once everything is filled out, hit Proceed to push the order into the system. As you can see, the order has been successfully created. You can click on any order to view detailed information, such as the sender and recipient's details, payment information, and tracking history. For added convenience, you can also track your orders by simply scanning their barcodes. Lastly, under the Settings tab, you have the option to update your profile and adjust your preferences as needed.